Hi friends, in this episode now we can see some more important chemicals starting with letter C. Now we can see carcinogen chemicals. We can see about lead. Before going inside into the slide, do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues, put your like and comment in the comment box. Now we can see about lead. Lead is a heavy, soft silver gray metal. It is used in the production of storage batteries, ammunition, cable covering, pigments, glass, ceramic glazes, casting materials, and solder. Lead is listed as a special hazard chemicals by OSHA, ACGH, DOT, NIOSH, NTP, DEP, IARC, and EPA. Lead is a carcinogen and may be a teratogen, that is, it causes an abnormality following fetal exposure during pregnancy. So the persons, particularly human who are working in the atmosphere of lead, exposed to lead, may have problem during the pregnancy. So they have to be careful. Lead may cause or may damage the nervous system. Exposure may cause kidney and brain damage and anemia. Repeated exposure can cause lead poisoning. Symptoms include metallic taste, poor appetite, weight loss, colic, nausea, vomiting, and muscle cramps. Now we can see the limit limitations of lead. As per OSHA, airborne permissible limit PL is 0.05 mg per meter cube, averaged over a 8-hour work shift. As per NIOSH, recommended airborne exposure limit (REL) is 0.05 mg per meter cube, averaged over a 10-hour work shift. Also, air concentrations should be maintained so that lead is less than 0.06 mg per 100 grams of whole blood. As per ACGH, the threshold limit value TLV is 0.05 mg per meter cube, averaged over an 8-hour work period. Now we can see the PPE or respirator required when you are working in the lead atmosphere. For exposure over 0.5 mg per meter cube, you have to use a half mask air purifying respirator with high efficiency filters. Exposure higher than 2.5 mg per meter cube, you have to use a full space piece air purifying respirator with high efficiency filters. For exposure over 50 mg per meter cube, use powered air purifying respirator with high efficiency filters or a half mask supplied air operated in positive pressure mode. For exposure over 100 mg per meter cube, use supplied air respirators with full face piece, hood or helmet or suit operated in a positive pressure mode. Exposure to 100 mg per meter cube is immediately dangerous to life and health. Ideal H value, if exposure is above 100 mg per meter cube, you have to use a new approved self-contained breathing apparatus with a full face piece operated in positive pressure mode or equipped with an emergency escape cylinder. Hope you might have understand the effect of lead when you are working in the lead atmosphere. We will see one more chemical in the next slide, which is also carcinogen in nature. Now in this slide we can see about mercury chloride, which is also known as mercury dichloride, HgCl2. Before going to the details, do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and colleagues, put your comment and like in the comment box. Mercury chloride is an odorless white crystal or powder. It is used in preserving wood, photography, embalming, fabric printing, and analytical chemistry. It also used as a disinfectant, fungicide, and insecticide. It, it is listed as special hazard chemicals by OSHA, ACGH, DOT, NIOSH, DEP, IARC, IRAS, and EPA. Mercury chloride is a carcinogen in humans. It causes thyroid cancer in animals. Mercuric chloride is a mutagen, that is anything that causes a mutation change in the DNA of the cell. It may cause reproductive damage also. Mercury chloride causes skin allergy, make the skin turn gray, may damage kidneys too. Now we can see about the exposure limit. As per OSHA airborne permissible limit, PEL is 0.1 milligram per meter cube as mercury average over 8-hour work shift. As per NIOSH recommended airborne exposure limit, REL is 0.05 milligram per meter cube as mercury vapor average over a 10-hour shift, and 0.1 milligram per meter cube is not to be exceeded at any time. As per ACGH, the threshold limit value TLV is 0.025 milligram per meter cube as mercury average over an 8-hour work period. Now we can see the required PPE or respirator while working in the lead mercury chloride atmosphere. For exposure over 0.05 milligram per meter cube as mercury vapor or over zero point 0.1 milligram per meter cube but less than 1 milligram per meter cube, we have to use an air-supplied off-mask air respirator with cartridges specific for mercury vapor. High efficiency filters exposure to higher than 0.5 milligram per meter cube or over 1 milligram per meter cube, you have to use an US approved supplied air respirator operated in a positive pressure mode. Exposure above or exposure over 10 milligram per meter cube is immediately dangerous to life and health. Ideal H value: if exposure is about 10 milligram per meter cube, use a NIOSH approved self-contained breathing apparatus. A full space piece operated in a positive pressure mode or equipped with an emergency escape air cylinder. Hope you might understand the two important chemicals which are carcinogen in nature discussed in this episode. Do not forget to subscribe, share with your friends and colleagues. What you like and comment in the comment box. See you with some more important chemicals which are carcinogen in nature in the coming episode. Thank you very much.